Producer got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
Oh, thanks, Dom. That's such a sweet offer. Now, Dom is right. We are a big, strong filmmaking family here at Universal Studios. But we are near the end of our tour, so let's just take a second to throw a little love the way of our driver, Michael, for his excellent driving skills. Give it up for Michael, everybody. Did you see how he jumped the bridge in a tram? That's amazing. Can't believe you did that. I didn't think that was possible. And I take off my hat to you too, if I had one. Now, I also want to thank each and every one of you for taking this world-famous studio tour. And if you want an insider tip, you can download the Universal Studios Hollywood app, which will give you up-to-the-minute park information. Like, it'll tell you how long you have to wait for your favorite ride, when Waterworld has its next show, what time we close tonight. And if you're interested in upgrading your day pass to an annual pass, you can check out the Universal box office or any of our upgrade kiosks in the park. And if you're interested in any of the movies or television shows I talked about, you can check out uphe.com. Once again, my name is Kelly, and it has been a pleasure to be your guide today. On behalf of myself and Michael and everybody here at NBC Universal, thank you for coming and spending the day at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. Now, before we go, I just want to ask real quick, is anybody out there having a birthday? Any birthdays out there today? Nobody got older? Just me? No, I don't have a birthday today, but I'm getting older. Now, is anybody riding the tram for the very first time? What? First time riders, and you happen to be our undercover witnesses too. You have had a busy day. Busy day. Well, I congratulate you all. I'm glad you came and visited us for your first time, and all of you returning veterans, thanks for coming back. I missed you. Don't stay away so long. I get lonely. Now, we have made it all the way back. Good job. You see those blue bins? You can deposit your 3D glasses in